Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best white replacement bulbs is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of your holiday decorating arsenal, transforming ordinary string lights into a dazzling winter wonderland that captures the magic of the season and creates cherished memories for years to come. Number 5. National Tree RBG 25C Replacement Bulbs. Introducing the National Tree RBG 25C, your solution for replacing burnt-out bulbs. These 2.5-volt incandescent bulbs are designed to bring your festive lights back to life. These replacement bulbs are perfect for your 50, 100, or 150 bulb light strings. Use them on trees, garlands, or wreaths to ensure your decorations shine brightly. Changing bulbs is now a breeze with these convenient mini lights. They are designed for quick and easy installation, saving you time and effort. Crafted with high-quality materials, these replacement lights are built to last. Enjoy a beautiful holiday glow for many seasons to come. At National Tree Company, we help you create magical holiday moments. Let our decorations transform your home and focus on making memories this Christmas. What we like? These are classic incandescent bulbs designed for 50, 100, or 150 light strings. They are easy to change and bring a traditional holiday glow. If you prefer the warm, familiar look of incandescent lights and need replacements for existing strings, these are a great choice. What people say. These bulbs are a perfect replacement for my old incandescent Christmas lights. They provide a warm, inviting glow that really enhances the holiday atmosphere. The bulbs are easy to install and fit perfectly into my existing light strings. Number 4. Novelty Light Ceramic Replacement Bulbs. These powerful and durable bulbs are perfect for any celebration, from weddings to holiday parties. They're ideal for sprucing up your patio and brightening your space. Our dimmable replacement bulbs can illuminate any indoor or outdoor space. Easily adjust the brightness to create the perfect ambience for any setting, from parties to bedrooms. Simply screw in these bulbs to unlock their brightness and create the ideal mood for your events. They provide an elegant, warm ambience for any celebration. These C7 bulbs feature a nickel-coated E12 base and are fully dimmable. With a long lifespan and adjustable brightness, they offer customized lighting for all your needs. As string light experts with over 25 years of experience, we pride ourselves on bringing you high-quality lighting solutions at budget-friendly prices. Since 1999, we've been a leader in the holiday lighting industry. Our US-based customer service team is dedicated to preserving the joy our products bring. What we like? These ceramic bulbs offer versatile use for various events and patios, with dimmable settings to create the perfect mood. They boast a long lifespan and are suitable for both indoor and outdoor spaces. If you're looking to set a specific ambience for parties, weddings, or patio gatherings and want adjustable lighting, these are ideal. What people say. The bulbs are a bright white and look great on the tree. They are easy to install and fit perfectly into the sockets. The bulbs are made of durable glass and seem like they will last for many seasons. Number 3. Minetom C9 Clear Replacement Bulbs. Bring the warmth of the season to life with these clear replacement bulbs. Designed to fit your C9 Christmas lights, they offer a classic, inviting glow. This pack includes 50 bulbs, ensuring you have plenty to replace any burnt-out lights. Enjoy a full and bright display throughout the holidays. Experience the cozy ambience of warm white light. Each bulb emits a pleasant 7-watt glow, perfect for creating a festive atmosphere. Built for longevity, these commercial-grade bulbs boast an average lifespan of 3,000 hours. They are designed to shine bright for many holiday seasons to come. Decorate with confidence. These bulbs are UL listed, making them safe for both your indoor and outdoor holiday displays. Featuring an E17 intermediate base, they are designed for a perfect fit with your C9 string lights. Replacing old bulbs is quick and simple. What we like? These C9 bulbs are commercial grade with a long lifespan, perfect for larger C9 string lights. They are UL listed for safe indoor and outdoor use. If you have commercial-sized C9 light strings or want a durable, long-lasting option for extensive outdoor decoration, these are a solid pick. What people say. The bigger bulbs look great and my stress level has gone down too. These bulbs were perfect to replace the ones that wouldn't work this year. The product was as described and works as described. Easy installation. The bulb is so bright. We love the look. Number 2. Mutter 100 PCS Mini Christmas Replacement Light Bulbs. Get a generous pack of replacement bulbs, ensuring you have plenty for all your decorating needs throughout the season. These mini bulbs operate at 2.5 volts and are designed to work seamlessly with most lamp holders. They offer bright illumination and long-lasting performance. Easily replace burnt-out bulbs on your Christmas tree lights. They are the perfect solution for keeping your holiday decor shining bright. Experience a classic, ultra-bright incandescent glow that enhances your Christmas tree lights. Simply swap out old bulbs for new ones to refresh your display. These bulbs are designed for easy replacement. Just be mindful to ensure the wires don't cross when installing to prevent short circuits. What we like? This pack provides a generous quantity of mini replacement bulbs designed for Christmas trees and decorative lights. They are bright and compatible with most lamp holders, though care must be taken during installation to avoid shorts. If you need a large supply of basic, bright mini bulbs for your existing light sets, these are a practical option. What people say. These were compatible with my old pre-lit national tree with clear incandescent lights. All of the bulbs worked and looked the exact same as the originals in brightness and hue. The bulbs also have shunts, thin coil of wire at the base, that should almost always kick in when the filament of a bulb eventually burns out, so that the rest of the string stays lit, which is essential. These are great for replacing one-off burnt bulbs. If your whole string is out, it's harder to ID burnt bulbs and you might want to buy a new string. But if you're patient and have an hour to burn, you can get any string working again. Number 1. C7 LED Replacement Bulbs, Cool White. Introducing our C7 LED replacement bulbs in a cool white. These bulbs are designed to fit C7E12 sockets, perfect for your festive lighting needs. Save over 80% on energy compared to traditional bulbs. These eco-friendly lights not only reduce your electricity bill but also contribute to a greener planet. Create the perfect holiday atmosphere with these dimmable bulbs. They are ideal for decorating your house, garden, or any space, all year round. Featuring a diamond-faceted design, these bulbs offer a brighter, more dazzling light. Made from shatterproof resin, they are built to last and stay cool to the touch. UL listed for safe indoor and outdoor use, these bulbs are weatherproof and designed to withstand the elements. Enjoy up to 10,000 hours of vibrant, fade-proof light. Looking for the full C7 LED string lights? Search for B0BLNFLMPJ to complete your festive setup. What we like? These C7 LED bulbs offer significant energy savings and an eco-friendly option with a long lifespan. Their diamond-faceted design provides a bright, dazzling look, and they are weatherproof and shatterproof. If you want to reduce electricity costs, prefer LED technology, and desire a durable, bright, and festive light for your home or garden, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The LED bulbs are actually a little brighter than the incandescents, and the cool white is much whiter than my old clear bulbs. These bulbs are so pretty and a very true blue. All the neighbors compliment on how pretty they are. They are durable, bright, and do not get hot. They do provide adequate light dispersal due to the faceted design. A problem with some LED bulbs is that they are very directional. A bit brighter than the bulbs they are replacing. It's nice to have them plastic and cool. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.